students of class 6. So today I am going to start the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. Okay, so what are the steps we have to follow? If the fraction are unlike, then you know that the denominators will be different. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to convert the denominator to a same number. And how to know what is the same number? So we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so if the fractions are unlike, then we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so what denominators may be, what denominators are. Okay, if the denominators are different, what are the different numbers they can have? So let us discuss that part. Okay, so see, first of all we have to follow the first step. If the fraction are unlike, then we have to find the LCM of the denominator. Okay, next see what may be the different, what may be the denominator. Okay, denominator, see, if one denominator is multiple of the other denominator. Okay, so what happen if one denominator is multiple of the other denominator, then LCM will be the greater number. Okay, so example in this case, see, if my fraction, one fraction is 1 by 2 and another fraction is 1 by 4 and I want to add it, see, they both are what? Unlike fraction first of all. Now see here, the denominator 4, okay, 4 is a multiple of 2. Okay, 4 is a multiple of 2. So here the greater number is 4. Therefore 4 will be the LCM of this fraction. Okay, so after finding the LCM, what we have to do? We have to convert the denominator to the number we got as LCM. So LCM we got here 4. Okay, the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. So now we have to convert the denominator to 4. So here already see the denominator is already 4. So no need to change it, but we have to change the denominator here. So by multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator, we can easily convert this fraction so that the denominator will become what? 4. So if the denominator will become 4, then the fraction, this and this, both the fraction will become like fraction. And already we have discussed in the last lecture that how to add or subtract the like fraction. Okay, student, so this is the first point. That means if one number is multiple, if one denominator is multiple of the other, then the greater number, okay, then the greater number, or you can say the multiple number, okay, that for this number, okay, greater number will be the LCM. Okay, so after that we have to convert the denominator. Then we can easily simplify the fraction, because now they are what? Now they become like fraction. Okay, so next see, next what denominators may we see? If the denominators are prime numbers, okay, if the denominators are prime number, then how to find the LCM? See, suppose example, I can take 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5. Okay, so see here, 3 and 5 both are prime number. Okay, so how to find the LCM? Just you have to multiply both the numbers. So 3 into 5, that is 15. So LCM will be what? 15. So now again you have to follow the same step. What we have to do after finding the LCM? Here LCM is 15. So now we have to convert the denominator of each fraction to 15. For that we have to multiply the first fraction by 5 in numerator and denominator. Similarly, in the second fraction you have to multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, so that the two fractions become what? Like. Okay, so after this we can easily simplify, because now our fraction will become what? Like fraction. Okay, so the main aim, our main aim is to change the fraction into a like fraction, because we know that if they become like fraction, then we can easily add or subtract the two fractions. Okay, so next step, see, if the denominators have some factor in common, then use methods of LCM to find the LCM. So in this particular case only, you have to use the method of LCM to find the denominator. So when we have to use this method, when you have to use the method of LCM, when you will see that the denominators have some factor in common. So for example, see, 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. So see, 9 and 12, they have factor, they have 3 in common. 3 factor 3 is common in both. So in this case we have to use the method of LCM to find the LCM. Then again you have to follow the same step. Okay, so all the step will go to this only. After finding the LCM we have to convert the denominator, okay, to the number which we got as LCM. Next step we have to simplify the fraction, because now they become what? Like fraction. Okay, so these are some points which I want to discuss with you. These are not inside the book, so this is, you can say, these are the small techniques by this way you can easily do the questions. Okay, so let us start the next exercise, that is 6.6. So students, see the next one number question A. Here we have to add the fractions. Okay, so see here the denominator, just check the denominator, they are unlike fraction. Okay, no doubt they are unlike fraction. Now see the denominator, 8 is a multiple of 4. So I already discussed the 3 points. Okay, the first point was, if one number is multiple of the other, then that multiple, or you can say the greater number, will be the LCM. So here the LCM of 4 and 8 will be what? 8. Next we have to convert the denominator to the number we got as LCM. So here we have to convert the denominator to 8. So now see, this has already denominator 8. Sorry. So here we have to convert the denominator. So 4 is there. So what we will do? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, so that the denominator becomes 8. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. Okay. 4 2s are 8. No need to write 1 by 8, because already the denominator is 8. So directly we can write, in place of 3 by 4, okay, we can write 6 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So finally we got what? We got the like fraction. So now we can easily add the numerator. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. So 7 by 8. Next come to question number J. So you can see here there are 3 fractions, 4, 12 and 3. So see, 12 is a multiple of 4 as well as 3. That means here the greater number is 12, okay, and it is a multiple of both the denominators, that is 4 as well as 3. So therefore the LCM of 4, 12 and 3 will be what? 12. Next you have to convert the denominator of each fraction to 12. So this is already 12, no need to convert it. Okay, so here we will multiply. In this fraction we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, so that the denominator becomes 12. Similarly, in the last fraction, that is 2 by 3, here also we will multiply and multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, so that our denominator here becomes what? 12. Okay, so now we will write, in place of 3 by 4 we can write 9 by 12. So this will become 9 by 12. This will be same, because already 12 is the denominator. Next, in place of 2 by 3, see 2 by 3 is now 8 by 12. Okay, so now we will add, we can add easily, because we got the like fraction. Okay, so 9 plus 5 plus 8, so it will be what? 22. So 22 by 12. So after cancellation we will get 11 by 6. So after cancelling only you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So many students you have sent the answers, but first of all, see students, if the fraction is not in its lowest terms, first of all you have to convert it into lowest term. Okay, then only you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so here we have first of all reduced this fraction. Okay, we have cancelled with the help of the multiplication table of 2. 2 11s are 22, 2 6s are 12. So 11 by 6 we can write it as 1 5 by 6 in mixed fraction. Okay, so see the next question number N. Here first of all 3 1 by 2 you have to convert this into improper fraction. So 7 by 2. Okay, you know that after converting the denominator will not change, it will remain same. So LCM of 10 and 2 will be what? 10. Because see 10 is a multiple of 2. So the greater number is 10 here. So 10 will be the LCM. Now we have to convert the denominator of each fraction to 10. So already this is 10. So now we have to convert this one. Okay, so we have to multiply by 5 in the numerator and denominator. So by that way we got what? 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so the first fraction is same 6 by 10, plus the second fraction is now 35 by 10. So see, denominator are same, we can easily add the numerator. So 6 plus 35 is 41. So 41 by 10, after converting into mixed fraction, it will become 4 1 by 10. Okay. Come to the next question. Next, the two fractions are mixed fractions. So first of all, we will convert it into improper fraction. So 9 by 5. Next will be what? 27 by 10. So now see, the denominators are 5 and 10. So we have to find the LCM. And you can here also see 10 is a multiple of 5. So the greater number is 10 here. So 10 will be the LCM. See students, you can find the LCM by using any method. But this is a small, you can say, easiest way to directly write or directly find the LCM. Okay, if one number is a multiple of other, then the greater number, or you can say the multiple number, will be the LCM. Okay, so see here, now we have to convert the denominator to 10 because 10 is the LCM now. So second fraction is having denominator 10 already. So we have to convert the first fraction only. So first fraction is 9 by 5. So we will multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. So by that way we get 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10. Okay. So now see, first fraction will become 18 by 10 and second fraction become 27 by 10. Okay. This is already 27 by 10. So this is like fraction now. So you can easily add. So this will be what? 45 by 10. After cancelling you will get 9 by 2. And in mixed fraction we can write it as 4 1 by 2. Okay. So students, see the next question. Next is subtraction. Okay. Here also you have to apply the same method, but just finally we have to subtract the fraction. Okay. So see here in B number, first of all, this is question number 2. Okay, from question number to B number. So you can see 3 9. Okay. So the LCM of 3 and 9 will be 9, as 9 is a multiple of 3. Okay. So greater number will be the LCM. Okay. So now we have to convert the fraction. So no need to convert this one because already it has denominator 9. Okay. So we will convert this one. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. By that way we will get what? 2 3 0 will be 6, 6 by 9. So the first fraction will become 6 by 9. Second fraction will be same 2 by 9. So by taking here, denominator is same 9. So just we have to write 9, and in numerator we have to subtract. Okay. We have to subtract 2 from 6. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. So 4 by 9, this is a proper fraction. So this is the final answer. Next, come to question number E. Okay. See in E, first of all, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper. Okay. So this is 9 by 5 and next is this is 10 ones are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Okay. So now see, denominator is 5 and denominator is 10. Okay. So we have to find the LCM, as 10 is a multiple of 5. So 10 is the LCM of the two numbers. Now we have to convert the fraction, each fraction's denominator to 10. So this is already 10, no need to convert it. That means we have to convert this one. Okay. So this is 9 by 5. That means we have to write 9 by 5. So after multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2, the fraction has denominator is equal to 10. Okay. So this is 18 by 10. So finally we can write in this place, we can write 18 by 10, and this will be what? This is changed to what? Improper, that is 11 by 10. So finally we can write 10 in denominator, numerator will be 18 minus 11, that will be 7 by 10. Okay. So this is also proper, so no need to convert, just we can write directly. The answer will be this one only. Next is, see, the first fraction is mixed, and the next is what? Next is a proper fraction. So first of all we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this is 83 by 12. Next we have to find the LCM of 12 and 3. You can see here 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore the LCM will be what? 12. Okay. So we will convert the second fraction only because it is already 12 here. So 2 by 3 will be what? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 so that our new fraction, so that the denominator of our new fraction will become 12. Okay. So this is 8 by 12. So finally we can write the first fraction is now 83 by 12 minus the second fraction is 8 by 12. Okay. So after subtracting we will get what? 75 by 12. So after cancelling the answer is 25 by 4. So we can write it in mixed fraction. So that will be 6 1 by 4. Okay students. So see the next question, question number 3 here. it is given that Abhijit spent 1/3 of an hour on painting his toy aeroplane, and time spent by Abhijit on polishing his shoes is 1/6 of an hour. Okay, so we have to find the total time he spent spend together. Okay, so together means how much time he is spending all total. So we have to find the total time. So for finding the total time we have to add the two fractions. So 1/3 plus 1/6. So finally we have to find the LCM of the denominator because they are unlike fraction. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So we will convert the first fraction. So 1/3 will be what? We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. By that way we will get 2/6. So 2/6 plus the second fraction is already that will be same because denominator is 6. So 1/6. So 2 plus 1/6, that is 3/6. So after cancellation you will get 1/2. That is 1/2 hour. Okay. So next question is question number 4. Rekha mixes 1/2 liter of water with 1/8 liter of orange squash. How much mixture does she get? So here also you have to find the mixture. That means she is mixing 1/2 liter of water with 1/8 liter of orange squash. So now we have to find the total mixture. That means we have to add. So 1/2 plus 1/8 you have to do. Okay. So 1/2 plus 1/8, again you have to convert the fraction. So see, the denominator is 2 and 8. So we have to find the LCM first. So like already I have discussed how to find the LCM if one is multiple of the other. So you have to follow the same steps. So please try to do this one. Deepak and Amir brought a cake. Deepak ate 2/5 of the cake. Amir ate 3/10 of it. Okay. So who ate more? So this is the given condition. So we have to find who ate more. That means we have to compare. Okay. So how to compare? Already we know how to compare. We have done previously also. So for comparing also the denominator should be same. Okay. We have to make the fraction like fraction. Because see here, nothing is same. Denominator is also not same. Numerator is also not same. So we have to convert the denominator of the fraction. So first of all we will find the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 10 will be what? LCM of 5 and 10 will be what? 10. Because 10 is a multiple of 5. Okay. This is already 10. No need to convert it. So we will convert 2/5. So therefore 2/5 is equal to, we have to multiply 5 with 2 again. Here in numerator also with 2. So 4/10. So you can see Deepak ate 4/10, Amir ate 3/10. So who ate more? You can now compare easily because you have to see the numerator as denominator is already same here. So 4. You can see here 4 is greater than 3. Therefore the answer of A number. Who ate more? Deepak ate more. Okay. And next, how much more? That means now we have to subtract. So how much more? 4/10 minus 3/10. So you have to do like this. Okay. So just write the final answer. So 4/10 minus 3/10 will be what? 1/10. So you can write like this. Deepak ate 1/10 more than Amir ate. Okay. So this is the final answer of this. So students, please try to do the remaining question as well as the question of chapter checkup. Okay. So thank you.